In the last 2 episodes, I kayaked to the remote island and stayed overnight. I've bought barely enough food for one meal and was hoping to live off the land. It turned out to be harder than I thought, as I didn't catch any legal-sized fish or crabs until the second day. By then my food has run out and the ice in my cooler has melted. I contemplated to stay for another day, or I cut my trip short and kayak back to the nearest town 2 hours away. I've decided to go home early, fully knowing that I'll be paddling against the full moon strong current with a very heavy load. 15. What happened next is not something I have planned for, nor something I would want to experience again. What you will see in the rest of this video is not acted out or rehearsed. It's a genuine account of my very difficult and long trip home. Now I've got to kayak that way against current for 2 hours. It's so hard to paddle against the current. So it took me like 20 minutes to paddle like 100 meters. I'm just gonna walk whatever I can. At the time I thought it was a good idea to walk the kayak, but apparently that was my first mistake of the day. And it's better to walk than to paddle. In order to walk the kayak, I had to get close to the shore, and one of the branches clipped and punctured my inflatable that was carrying my full pot. I saw it. It slides it right there, and then it's now here. That's probably the perfect spot to put it. Alright, let's fix it. Another half an hour to an hour before tide change. And I need to go over there, not there, because that's a dead end. The thing about getting into kayak, it's balance, especially when you've got such a heavy load at the front. Now there is a bit of wind. And that's better, that's a better direction. This is not for the shade, this is for the wind. This is a hack people use. But I don't know if it's working or not. It looks silly. Uh-oh. Mud. I'm stuck waist deep, trying to get out of it. I've been paddling against the current for more than an hour now, and my arms were tired. Alright, let's try walking again. That's mud, that's sand. Oh my god. Oh, that's hard. Okay. Oh my god. No, whoa, shit. Okay, up and running again. I hope. Oh my god, no. Can't stay at the same spot for too long. I sink to the bottom. Oh my gosh. Prawns. Over and over again, I was stuck in the mud about knee deep. But they were manageable after some wiggling around. It's like Bear Grylls stuck in sand. Oh. Okay, at least I'm back on. Alright, that's enough. For now, I think I'll paddle. I'll have a rest a bit. When is the tide gonna kick in? It's 3:46 already. Dang. Besides battling the current, I also had to worry about the dying light. I only had about 2 hours of daylight left, and I was not even halfway home. I did. On the tree? I don't know what that is. Tide has turned. I'm gonna go there. Should I go around it like that, or should I go direct like that? It's 4:06. I think I'll go direct. Easterly wind has started. My arms are sore. I want to walk. Hopefully this is sand, not mud. Looks like sand. Yep. Oh, muddy. Even though I just wanted to test the water, but it was already too late. This was very soft mud that only got exposed by the full moon low tide once every few weeks. Don't get me wrong. You can see that my seat back rest has actually flipped, meaning that I couldn't even sit back on the kayak. Oh no. No. And right at this time that all my crab pots and gears have fallen off the kayak. Oh gosh. Fell off, hold on. Better just rest a bit. A few options went through my head, like abandoning the crab pots. At the end, I've decided to get off the kayak to collect the pots, even though I knew I would get stuck in the mud waist deep. Oh my god. Okay. Let's do it first. Since I'm already on the ground. I finally managed to secure the pots, but I was truly stuck in the mud at this point. I had my phone with me that I could call for marine rescue, but I remember watching this.
I'm trying to get a leg out. Okay, but I need to get out of here now. And I need to do this just first monkey time. Crawl your way out.
Channeling my inner Bear Grylls, I shimmy my way back onto the kayak. Okay, good. Bear Grylls! Oh, okay. Whew, that was not fun at all, is it? And I wasn't out of danger yet. Just as I thought I was out of the water, literally, I then realized my kayak itself was stuck in the mud. Unlike previously, I couldn't paddle it out. So for one last time, I had to get off the kayak to push it out. Alright. No more getting off. Wow, that was Bear Grylls style. Man, I hope you're proud of me, Bear Grylls. If you see me doing this, let's go for next challenge, eh? Crossing the channel. And it's 4:24. I started this at 2. Won't be long now. See it? Boat ram. I want to go around. That's a rescue boat. I could have used them like 2 hours ago. This is it. Finally, you can see. If you liked the video, hit like, share and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate it. It's TimWanderer. I see you out in the water. Bye. And by the way, I kayaked 3 hours to get back here. Who would have thought a simple return trip would turn into such an eventful afternoon? Lesson learned there is that I should have never gotten off the kayak. Despite all this, it was an amazing trip, and I'll definitely do it again in a heartbeat.